customers, good afternoon from the flight deck. Letting you know we're on our descent and landing procedure to Mexico City's International Airport, estimating our landing in about 25 more minutes. The weather conditions at Mexico City show cloudy skies and an uncertainty 22 Celsius. Thank you.
Welcome to International Airport of Mexico City. For information, local time is 9 minutes to 4